Very soon you may be able to get loans easily over the UPI, over which you now only make payments using GPay. The Reserve Bank is working on a platform called the Unified Lending Interface, or the ULI. All banks can hook on to this platform through APIs, apps. Shares, insurance, pension policies, all of them stored in DigiLockers can also be accessed. So when a person clicks on her bank's app and asks for a loan, all she has to do is to give approval to her bank to access all her data. The bank will have access to her entire financial picture in seconds. So it may take only a few hours or maybe even less to assess how creditworthy she is and give her a loan. Not just personal loans, even business loans for SMEs are going to be speeded up on the ULI. The GST data is already digitized and hooked onto the Reserve Bank's ULI platform. In several states, land records have also been digitized and will become accessible via apps. So getting a loan can mean no paperwork and much less waiting time. That's ULI. It's now only a pilot, but it will be scaled up in a year or so. However, even before the ULI, getting a loan has somewhat become easy. A couple of years back, the Reserve Bank licensed entities called account aggregators. These are fintechs who have been engaged by various banks. Today, as soon as you click on a bank's app and ask for, say, a home loan, you will be directed to a link which will ask you for your approval for an account aggregator to access all your bank accounts. If you've already put your insurance, mutual funds and pension accounts in a DigiLocker, the account aggregator can access them and give them to the bank. In fact, give the bank your full financial status in minutes. The only document you need to give the bank is your home ownership agreement. Now, as more state governments digitize their land and property records, even your home document can be given digitally. Likewise, for an SME or an MSME, the account aggregator will manage to procure all the financial records in a format that the banks want. The bank can also access the borrower's GST and income tax records digitally. So we aren't far from instant digital business loans. In the final stage, the Reserve Bank is visualizing a unified lending platform where a person or an SME can ask for a loan in a platform that is accessible to all banks. Any number of banks can assess the borrower and the company and make competing offers to her or to the company. The borrower can choose which one has the lowest rate or the best conditions. That will be the ultimate ULI. But one caveat, do not assume the ULI will ever work as fast as the UPI. In UPI, you are transferring money that you already have in your bank. In ULI, a bank is trusting you with somebody else's savings. The bank will have to assess how risky or not you are. The ULI will lessen paperwork and time, but it will not and must not work as fast as the UPI. Thank you for watching us on CNBC TV18. For all news and updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch us on all social media platforms.